Here's an interesting book. This is called Understand Good Play, Words of Consequence. This is by Masaaki Hatsumi and Benjamin Cole. This is a quote book. This is a book, it's hardcover. It's a very nice hardcover. And this is a book of quotations from Dr. Masaaki Hatsumi. And they're arranged in various categories. So categories on training, on technique. There's some photographs or images in here. The only problem I have with these kinds of books is it's really hard to keep quotations in context. Now, I'm not saying that, when you read these, you won't have a clue as to what's going on, but there's always a danger of reading a quote and not understanding the full context because, again, you're pulling quotes out of a particular context, whether that be a real-life training situation where the quotes are taken from, or whether they're books or articles or magazines. Quotes can be taken out of context, but if you like that kind of stuff, this is going to be probably, again, more in line with the people who enjoy wisdom and philosophy, that kind of thing. There's no step-by-step instructions on kata, but philosophy and getting into maybe the mind of Dr. Masaaki Hatsumi in some form, some fashion. So a neat little book, quote book. This is the second printing, which I believe was done in 2012. And there was a first printing, which was done earlier. Let's see. The first printing was 2001. The second printing was in 2012. This obviously is a second printing. But interesting book.